What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I am doing another feature film today. So we're going to be filming with a car which has a name, goes by BMW M4. Now, I've been following this car on Instagram for so long. The build was initially done in Florida. That's where the owner lived. Well, she recently moved down to Denver, which is where I'm at. So yeah, I think it's safe to say we better film a video on it. So we're going to do that right now. All right, so I got my longboard because that is key for getting still shots and moving shots. And then I got my jacket because it's been getting really cold in Colorado lately. And then, of course, we got the camera bag and we're all set to go. Before we get there, I'm gonna put something up on the screen. This was made by one of you guys, one of my subscribers, Nadeem. I'll put his Instagram right here. He made this super cool animation of my car. He's super talented and he's actually made a couple of these for me, but I'll show the one he made this morning actually. Yeah, I thought it was really awesome, so I had to share it with you guys. Okay guys, I can see the car pulling up. Oh my gosh, that thing is so crazy. All right, you guys want to take a look at it? Let's take a look at it. Alright guys, so we just got done shooting the rollers. It was so cool because we were riding in Chris's M4 right here, doing rollers in Yulia's M4, so not too often you're shooting rollers and sitting in the car that you're shooting a roller of. So awesome experience with all that. We got Chris right here, super helpful for the video. just finished all those cinematics on this car. This thing is crazy. As you can tell, it's yeah, it's nighttime. We've got Chris's car over here. We've all just been talking in the parking lot, getting to know each other, so it's been a lot of fun. But yeah, guys, my first impressions of this car, it just makes my car feel and look so boring next to this thing. This thing is insane. You've got these crazy Brixton wheels that have like forged carbon in them and purple brake calipers and everything. And hopefully the lighting is good for you guys, since this is like the only lit up parking lot we could find that wasn't packed with people. But yeah, then you have these crazy headlights on it, which are just so cool. They've got like Yes Marina Blue inside of them, and they can change colors. And normally this is cheesy to me, but it looks really fitting on this car, so I could definitely see myself doing it to my car. But you've got the APR racing lip and everything, and then just this crazy wrap. So this is actually clear wrap with the design on it on some parts of the car. Other parts of the car, it's actually a Yes Marina Blue film that was overlaid on it. So it's like bits and pieces, but when you look at it, you cannot tell that it's like different pieces of wrap and then clear wrap and everything. So really good job on the people who did that. And then of course you've got the airbag suspension, which just really completes the look of this and everything. And the owner, Yulia, she actually does track this car, so she does have use for this wing. It's not just for looks or anything. She really has the aerodynamics set up on this car perfectly. She says that it really just changes the whole experience of the car when you take it on a track. So engine-wise, everything is stock on this car. Nothing crazy, just an exhaust setup. Now the exhaust setup was actually a test exhaust from Active Auto Works, and they used her car to try it out. So she was actually lucky enough to get a one of the trial exhausts for it, and it sounds really, really good. So, and I believe this is still the prototype exhaust that they provided her with. And then you've got this insane rear diffuser that is just full of different aerodynamics. I mean, just look at the shape of it and everything. It's just wild. Hopefully you can pick it all up on camera. And of course you've got the GTS taillights, which always look so clean on these cars. She used to have the pre-LCIs, because this is actually a 2015 M4, so everything is pre-LCI on it. Now she's got the side skirts on it, which always complete the look. There's just so many cool details. Like, look at these side vents. It's actually expanded and larger. Like, normally it ends right there, but on this one it like starts way up here and goes all the way down. So looks like they did some fender work on this thing. So yeah, overall I am just blown away at how great this car looks. You've got the front facing air intakes, which when we were filming rollers, the whole time filming, that's all I heard, which was super sick. And then she also installed the GTS hood, which of course is a must-have. That really adds to the aggressive side of this car, and it just really complements the wrap design with it. She's actually from Florida and brought this car all the way out to Colorado. So you know, it's just crazy because I've been following this car for so long, and having it right in front of me is just such a treat, especially when it's built so well. This is definitely one of the craziest M4s I've ever seen. It definitely really does inspire me for like what I want to do for my car and everything. There's just so many little details on this car that just really make it super special. Obviously, this is my first day with the build, so the owner, Blueberry M4 girl, you guys, she's more of like a mysterious owner. She likes to stay behind the camera, likes to have the car talk for itself. So if you guys will actually want to hear the full stories and details on literally every part of this build, she took the time out of her day and wrote like the most detailed captions on each Instagram post she makes on it. So you guys definitely have to check out Blueberry M4 girl on Instagram, because when you check out her account, you'll be able to really understand the process and the details and the story behind each individual thing that she did to this car. It truly is just so cool to hear the story on it. But just like that, today is over. I'm gonna head home. We're gonna start putting this video together for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely cool to be around the car and share it with you guys. Like I said, go check out her Instagram link down below to just learn more about the build and herself and everything. So yeah, had a lot of fun today. Hopefully you guys subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. So with all that being said, peace out.